Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create cinematic speed rambling transition using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot, and first of all, I'm going to open up my project. I'm going to go to the video, and this is the project I have just created on my InShot. And if we want to create cinematic speed rambling transition, we can use speed curve. You can go to the speed option, and then you are going to select the curve. Then you can customize the curve to create speed rambling transition. I'm just going to make it faster like this by moving up, and then I'm going to make it slower and then faster again, just like so. Okay, and then click on the check mark after you're done customizing the curve. Okay, and I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, this is the result guys. And I guess that's all the way to create cinematic speed rambling transition using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.